Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the Control Center. Open Tools, then Options. Once there, select the General tab and choose the built-in dark theme to shift the interface. Apply that change now so the main Chrome and menus switch immediately, and make sure to click OK to commit. This changes the global shell. Why it matters. It reduces glare and aligns chart backgrounds. If you want the full effect, keep going to Convert Charts and Workspaces so everything matches the new dark appearance. Next, open each chart and edit properties to match the dark shell. Set background, grid, candle colors, and axes to darker tones. Once done, save those choices as your default chart template so new charts inherit them automatically. You can also export and import a template file to reuse across machines and load that template into saved workspaces. This step ensures candles, indicators, and axis labels remain legible. Make incremental changes and preview before saving, because some indicators need manual color tweaks. Finally, save the workspace so your dark theme and templates persist across sessions. Then restart Ninjatrader to ensure all UI assets reload correctly. If specific panels like Market Analyzer or DOM still show light elements, open their properties and apply the dark template or manually change colors. Troubleshooting tip. If visuals remain inconsistent, clear the cache or reset the layout. Sometimes an old workspace overrides new templates. If that fails, update Ninjatrader to the latest build to ensure theme compatibility, and try reapplying the theme.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.